Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Maytag Washer in 2026. So there are several ways with the help of which you can restart your Maytag Washer. So the very first thing that you can do is you can just simply unplug the washer from the power outlet, then leave it disconnected for about 2 to 3 minutes to allow the control board to fully discharge. Then plug it back in and power the washer on, and this simple reset can often clear the minor software and the sensor related faults. Now if the plug is difficult to access, you can also turn off the washer's breaker for 2 minutes and then you can restore the power. After doing so, for some of the Maytag top load washers, you are going to see the reset button on top of it. So you just have to simply reset the system by opening and closing the lid 6 times within 12 seconds, and make sure that the lid is raised at least 2 inch each time. So this method can recalibrate the sensors and it will also clear certain operational faults. So if your washer display shows you an error, you just have to simply press the pause/cancel or power/cancel button in order to clear the current cycle before restarting. So after restarting, you can run a short wash or rinse cycle in order to confirm that the washer is functioning properly again. So that's how basically you can reset your Maytag washer. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.